Welcome back, Hornets. It's a beautiful Thursday here at VCHS. We're your hosts, Camden Downs.
And I'm Isaac Batchelder. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today for lunch, we'll be having spaghetti zucchini slices, steamed broccoli, garlic bread, mandarin oranges, and as always, a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebration with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Jacob Bryant. Here are today's top 5 news stories. 1. With decaling water levels in Lake Mead, more human remains are surfacing. Number 2. Popular fruit popsicles are being recalled due to glass shards. Number 3. Petition to save Crown Uptown Theater has over 1,000 signatures. Number 4. Kansas' newest state park opened in Lola surrounding a former quarry. Number 5. Gardner is one of the latest Kansas towns to remove flock cameras amid privacy and data concerns.
Next, here is today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is ferocity. The state or quality of being ferocious.
There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Beverly Stills.
With many new memories being made this semester, we want to hear about how your summer went.
My name is Aiden Haskell, and this summer I went skiing.
My name is Aubrey, and what I did this summer was I traveled for my competitive softball team.
My name's Micah Gomez, and this summer I went to New York City.
I'm Jason, and what I did this summer is play games, swimming, and hang out with friends.
I'm Colton Malello, and I went on a cruise this summer.
My name is Jose Palacios.
My name is Alita Wilborn.
And I partied all night.
I worked all summer. My name is Rosie. One thing I did this summer was hang out with friends.
This summer I went swimming and hung out with my friends.
My name is Chica, and something I did this summer was go to Mexico.
What I did this summer is I went on a cruise to the Bahamas.
My name is Rhea White, and I worked all summer lifeguarding, and I also went to Italy.
Up next, we head to D Hall to meet one of our newest English teachers.
Hello, my name is Stephany Rudden. I went to Bethel College. Right now, I teach high school English, and I'm really excited to read all of the excellent novels that we have this year. Something unique about me is that this past year, I taught English in Guatemala, and I can speak Spanish.
With another nice fall day, let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, I'm Bella, and here's today's weather. Today we will have a high of 91 degrees with the possibility of thunderstorms. Tonight we will have a low of 68 degrees.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.